Certain hurts are beyond the world's comprehension. They are silent burdens that only God's chosen ones fully grasp. When you have a divine calling, the sorrow is never routine. It is intentional. It forms, molds, and prepares you for a future much beyond what you can see now. Let's discuss about 5 aches. Only the selected ones can carry, which is why God enables them. Pain number 1. Isolation may be painful. The chosen ones frequently tread a lonely road. God isolates them from the cacophony, allowing them to hear his voice clearly. He removes certain people, locations, and distractions, not to punish, but to prepare them. Divine power emerges during calm seasons of seclusion. Think about Moses in the wilderness, David tending sheep, and Jesus praying alone on the mountain. Every chosen one must learn to be comfortable in solitude, since there is where revelation is born. If you feel alone right now, realize that you are not forgotten. You're being created. Pain number 2. Misunderstanding is painful. When you are picked, not everyone will get you. People may doubt your actions, your quiet, or your devotion to God. Even people closest to you may fail to recognize what God is doing in your life. But God uses this agony to safeguard your eyesight. He wants you to live solely for his will, not for the approval of others. When others misinterpret you, remain mute and let your fruit speak for you. God will always vindicate whomever he chooses. Pain number 3. Delay is painful. Nothing is more difficult than waiting for something God has promised. However, delaying is not the same as denying. It is a time when God develops your faith and enhances your character. Joseph waited 4 years until his dream came true. David was anointed long before he donned the crown. Every delay is divine training, demonstrating that your destiny is too tremendous to haste. When it appears that nothing is occurring, believe that God is working on an invisible pain number for rejection. Rejection is never easy, but for the selected few, it is essential. It is God's method of shielding you from individuals and positions where you cannot fulfill your purpose. When doors close, friends go, and you are not selected by others, it is because God picked you for himself. Remember Joseph, who was shunned by his brothers yet was well positioned for his mission. Sometimes rejection is the only way to reroute. So don't chase what God has closed. What is meant for you will always come to you. Pain number 5. Spiritual battle is painful. The selected ones frequently endure struggles that are too heavy to handle. The adversary attacks those who have been marked with purpose. But don't be scared. Every assault confirms that you are carrying something strong. God uses the warfare to strengthen your authority and enhance your reliance on him during each storm. You are being taught to battle not with fear, but with faith. You will emerge stronger, wiser, and more anointed than before. So if you've been battling solitude, misunderstanding, delay, rejection, or warfare, remember this. Your suffering is not a punishment. It is preparedness. God permits it because he is sculpting you into someone who can convey his glory, as mentioned in 2 Corinthians 4 verse 17. For our minor and temporary difficulties result in an everlasting grandeur that far transcends them all. Chosen ones bring both anguish and strength. Finally, if this message speaks to your heart, everything will make clear. Type in the comment section below, I have been picked as a confession of faith. Remember to subscribe to The Bloom for more spirit-filled teachings that will bring you closer to God.